Hello, today we will be showing you Orzbeez and
slime.
Hello, so for right now we are going to be showing you what we are adding to this white cloud slime. So we don't know for sure if these will show up in it because it's not clear, but we're going to try it out. So keep watching.
It's sticky.
Okay, so here is the flaky stuff. Now let's add some into it. Oh, wow.
That was a lot.
Yeah.
It's okay. Oh, this is messy.
Yeah, so we did not know how this was going to turn out, so it could be a fail. But
it looks pretty good right now.
yeah, let's add some orange to it.
Okay.
It's going to be really pretty.
What's orange mixed with pink?
Well, it won't really do anything because it's glitter, so. Wait, put the slime down real quick. I want to add a little bit more orange.
Okay. This is what it looks like with the glitter.
You can't see it very well on camera,
But
it's
like pink.
really pretty. And this is this blue slime we just found, and it has water driplets in it. So, and it's another cloud slime. So let's see how it is. Okay, let's see. Whoa, this is actually really cool.
That's good.
It's a little sticky. Okay, so Hallie has this slime in her hands, and it is so cool and good. It's amazing.
It's good.
Yeah, so I think my sister and I made this, but I can't remember. I might, but I don't remember, so yeah.
Oh, I like
And then we also found this one. This one's hard, though, because, yeah, it looks like we left the lid open, but it's not that bad, because it was only, like, a little crack, like, that big, so it's not that bad. But, so, yeah, let's move on to Orzbeez. Okay, so now it is time for Orzbeez. So we are going to put them in this bowl.
I don't want them to spill. We're gonna dump them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think we're gonna dump them off. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a lot of Orzbeez. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
They're still okay.
So,
This is
look at all of
like-
these. There is a lot of Orzbeez. What are we going to do with them? So, here are all of our Orzbeez in the bowl. I love Orzbeez because they feel so cool. And so, yeah. Thank you so much for watching.